It's time to level up your LuxAlgo's Premium indicator. In this video, you will learn how you can make them overpowered just like that. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. First, we need two different LuxAlgo indicator. Type in LuxAlgo here and you will see price action concepts and signals and overlays. Click both of them and it will add to your chart automatically. After you done that, please go to settings for the signals and overlays and do it as you see it on my screen. Enable the AI signal classifier, make your sensitivity to 15 and trend catcher, trend tracer enabled, and the classifier is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. That's all you need to do. After you done that, please go to settings for the signals and overlays. This part is very important. Please make sure you enable and disable all of you see it on my screen. The first thing is you need to enable show last 5 order blocks, internal buy sell activity, and show breakers, and you can do the colors like you see it on my screen. Let me show you very quickly. And the length is 5 and the close, the time frame is the chart, so show metrics and midline overlaps, and the liquidity concepts, the trend lines is enabled, the patterns enabled, equal highs and lows, very important. Make it short term because we are day trading. And enable the liquidity grabs, check the fair value gap, it is very important. And enable the premium discount zones, enable the daily, Monday, weekly, monthly highs and lows, and that's it. That's all the settings you need to do. Hit the OK button and let's jump into strategy. We are trading on 10-minute time frame and our ticker is S&P 500. But the great thing is you can use this overpowered strategy on any time frame and any type of market. Here we see an example. Let's focus this. The first thing we see is this 3 buy signal. As you see in the screen that it's classified as number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can see here their strengths. You see that there is equal lows, which is EQL, and the change of character, and the change of character here also. We see this trend tracer and trend catcher, right? We already know this. How we make this overpowered? It is simple. You see this box here, right? This box means that the bullish fair value gap. If it's a green, it's a bullish fair value gap. If it's a red, it is a bearish fair value gap. Let's look at the recent candles here and let me explain you all that stuff. Equal low means that it's kind of a bullish form that you need to be watch out. So if you see a equal lows, it means that price can go higher anytime soon. And when you see a change of character with the green, it means that market is changing its behavior. It is changing from bearish to bullish. Easy like that. We got this 3 classified buy signal, and the most important thing here is our confirmation is the bullish fair value gap. We are focusing on today a price action concepts. So when you see a 3 or more classified buy signal with the bullish fair value gap, it's time for you to take a long position. You will also confirm the signal with the trend tracer and trend catcher. They need to be green like always. This setup is highly accurate setup. Why? Because we see this bullish fair value gap. This is our key point in this video, and we got the 3 classified buy signal. Trend tracer is bullish, trend catcher is bullish, and we got the change of character, and we see the equal low. This is a perfect long opportunity. You are learning how you can combine the price action concepts with the signals and overlays, because the both of the strategy are different, but if you can successfully combine that, you can create a huge growth run here. That's what we're trying to do here, and we will succeed. So we will take a long position after the bar close with the bullish fair value gap box. It's very important. And after you enter, you will follow the green candles until you see, like always, the X icon. when you see the X icon, you can close half of your position and you can move your stop loss to your entrance price. We enter a long position here and we write the trade until here and we close the position here, half of it. What we are going to do is we will put our stop loss on the recent support line here, and this was our entry point, right? Let's make it green. We will move our stop loss to our break even. This will give us a 100% win trade. You can let it ride the half of your trade until you see a one more X icon, or when you see a bearish fair value gap like you see it on my screen here. This is how you can combine the signals and overlays with the price action concepts. If you still don't have the LuxAlgo's premium indicators, now it's a great time to jump into LuxAlgo world. They just introduced a new package called Ultimate, where you can have access to all three backtesting systems that will let you backtest all your ideas for the premium indicators like signals and overlays, price action concepts, and the oscillator matrix indicator. So if you want to level up your trading game, it's a great time to do it. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.